We are bringing them back to the good old USA. This is the third car we brought back from Sweden. You can't blame them for loving these cars, but they all seem to migrate over there, and now we're bringing them back. This is a nut and bolt restored 1957 Chrysler New Yorker convertible with the Hemi motor. They made just over 1,000 of these total. Top is down. Why don't we go for a spin? You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can find the price tag and easy monthly payment as well on every car that we have for sale. The fit and finish is outstanding. The metal is flawless. It's absolutely straight, lines up beautifully. There's no rust, no damage, no issues. The body is outstanding. All of this is excellent. There's no bubbles down here at all. You got the big tail fins in the back, an antenna mounted on the top of each one of them. So the body is outstanding. The paint is polished, smooth, and glossy. There are a few imperfections. There's a few spots where the paint is bubbled up a little bit. Here's a row of them right here. Must have been some moisture or something when they were painting the car. But there's no scratches, no rust, no damage. And the red stripe in the middle, that really makes it pop. Yeah, beautiful lines with the quad headlights, the big tail fins. Absolutely a stunning car. That's why we bought it. We'd love to just have this in the museum. So yeah, body and paint is excellent. All the chrome, the mirrors, these emblems, the stainless trim has all been polished. Windshield looks new. The rubber gaskets replaced. All the chrome is looking beautiful. This might be original, very minor. I'm going to call it an 8 or a 9 out of 10. This has some little tiny crackling in the original plastic. Look at the big Chrysler letters with the white painted on the inside of them. But all this is beautiful shape. It's sitting on some radial white wall tires with the sparkling wire wheels with the spinner hubcap. A mirror on both sides. All this is beautiful. Vent window trim is really nice original. Just a few little freckles. Chrome door handle looks new. This is all sparkling. You got the big tail lights and all the chrome in the trim is beautiful. This emblem's original. Probably can't find another one. And this right here looks to be original, but very good still. So the outside of the car looks fantastic. Convertible top's in excellent shape. There's pictures of that on our website. It's a power top. So why don't we open it up? I'll show you the Hemi engine and the beautiful interior. So it's got a push button to open the trunk. Just a little hard to push, I guess. So this is like brand new. Underneath is painted, whatever you want to call that. The sound deadener's in really nice shape. The gasket's replaced. And then you look inside, it has the liner kit on the sides, carpet on the floor, new well liner. It's got a spare, all restored. It comes with the original hubcaps in place of, it was upgraded with wire wheels, has the original caps. That's a beautiful trunk compartment. Yeah, go to volocars.com. We have photos top to bottom and descriptions and prices on all of our cars for sale. You can see the jambs are painted slick and the weather strips are all replaced. This is a body off frame restored car. Look at the door panels, the two-tone upholstery. It's all in excellent shape. It has power windows. The dash area is looking really good. It has a new dash pad. You got to talk about this. This is a push-button transmission. You actually push the neutral button to start it. And then look at all the knobs and the hardware, instruments, clocks. Clock is working. All this, the plastic, the emblems, all in really nice shape. The interior lights work. Inside the glove box is nice and clean. It's got nice carpet. And the seat is really cool. You can tell it's rebuilt. It's nice and stuffed. It has the red with the white piping and then the cloth inserts. And you'll notice a power switch there. It's a power seat along with power windows. Back seats all redone, side panels all just as nice. It's a matching convertible top boot. Steering wheel's beautiful. It's original, so it has some really light cracking. But I love this like 3D center cap there. It's a really cool feature. So we're looking at a 392 firepower Hemi engine. It's got a 4-barrel, makes 325 horsepower, 440 pounds of torque. And this is how it would have looked brand new. The big giant air cleaner over to this side, the washer fluid bag. You can see the entire engine bay is all painted real nicely. Could use a little easy touch up on the front of the engine. Has two horns, radiators painted, batteries bolted down. Does have power steering, has power brakes. It's a beautiful motor compartment. So this top's down, got a Hemi motor. I'm sure Caleb's dying to go for a drive. Why don't you join him?
So we are in the New Yorker, taking it around the block, guys, showing you how it drives. This is a work of art, just a stunning car. Honestly, it's mesmerizing. You could stare at it and keep staring at it. You'll never get old, or it'll never get old. You'll never get tired of staring at it. It's an attention grabber. And it drives very, very smooth. Acceleration's great. Power steering works like magic. Power brakes are very nice. The parking brake is hooked up, so that's functional too. Everyone breaks their neck staring at this car, but you do want to have the parking brake working because your gears are push button over here. Talk about technology back in the day. Man, they had it done. Push in your drive, neutral, 1, 2, reverse. We're not gonna race this car, but let's see what she's got. Get her up to speed. Effortlessly, guys. It drives like a new car would in an old vintage one. We're gliding over the bumps, steers smoothly, straight down the road. No hiccups, no vibrations, no shakes, nothing like that. We are cruising. Man, this will put a smile on your face. Believe the horn works. Let's test that out. Sounds like a bus. Turn signals light up on the dash and they cancel. All right, here we go. I want to keep driving this thing, to be honest. What a cool car. Wipers are working. Got to stop them at the right time. There we go. Let's see if the radio works. Let's see if I can figure it out. I believe it's on. Alright, so maybe the radio's not working, but no big deal. I'm sure it's an easy fix. Hop back in time. Man, I would take this over any modern car any day of the week. It's incredible.
So this body has been off the frame. This was a complete restoration, and it's going to cost you a lot more to do this than, say, a Camaro or a Mustang or even a 57 Chevy. So the cost to duplicate this restoration probably equals our asking price. So they took the body off the frame. The floors are just as dry as a chalkboard. They're all prepped and painted black. The frame, it's a heavy-duty frame with a big X member in the middle, and all the frame and chassis was all prepped and painted real nicely. And it looks like every component was rebuilt, restored. You know, the brakes, the suspension, the steering, the rear suspension, the fuel system, everything looks like it's been redone. This thing runs so quiet and smooth. It has resonators and mufflers. When I was just backing up a minute ago, I thought the car died. I thought I was just rolling down a hill backwards, and I actually stopped because I thought that I needed to restart the car. It was still running. It was just that quiet and smooth. So incredible car, and yes, we really did import this from Sweden. It took a few months to get here. Here it is, available for you. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer whatever questions you have left, including how to get it delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted.